I noticed that I have a battery extension cable or terminal that I can use to charge my battery without connecting to the terminals on the battery itself. And this is from Optimate, which can be found at optimate.com. I didn't realize that my motorcycle had this until I opened it up like about a week ago. So now I can actually charge my battery with my battery charger I have, or I can even plug in a trickle charger that has a solar panel to keep my battery at optimum, especially if I store the motorcycle and don't use it. The battery would not drain or die out. So that's one good thing I found on the motorcycle that came from the dealership. And I had a gear indicator installed. I could have done it myself, but since I took the motorcycle to the dealership to be serviced, I had the dealer service department install the gear indicator. I forgot which company I acquired this trickle gear indicator from, but it is connected to the cable that is usually connected to this dummy clip part over here. It was taken out, removed, and the indicator cable was professionally. I actually appreciate the professional installation of the indicator cable. I don't think I told the service technician that I would not have done a better job myself. And let's turn it on and see. Oh, before I turn it on, so my Honda Rebel came with this windshield, which is very convenient, so I can actually put my GoPro camera mounted on here without having any debris blow into the screen like rain. I also had an LED headlight installed at the same time at the dealership, and it makes it a significant difference. The light is so bright, and it's a white light. It's so much better than a yellow dim light that was not the best. And here's the gear indicator. It's the simplest, and I think they found the perfect spot. It has double-sided tape with Velcro and zip tie. So let me turn the key on. Oh, here's my cat. My cat likes to hang out with me. Let me turn it on. Oh, he's gonna get scared though, and he's probably gonna run off. But okay, so let's look at the gear indicator when so it cycles through the numbers. I think that's where I'll leave it. It just showed the numbers cycled through. I don't want to scare my cat. Well, thank you for watching. Those are the upgrades, and thank you for watching.